Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reproducing the error reliably. Run the script with the exact argument so the traceback appears. Once done, narrow the problem to a minimal example by removing unrelated code and inputs. Make quick checks. Print variable values and types at boundaries, add assert statements to validate assumptions, and note exact line numbers in the traceback. This gives immediate clues about where logic or type mismatches occur, and prepares you for targeted debugging steps next. Now inspect the traceback and the lines it points to, read it top to bottom to understand the call chain. Then use PDB or your IDE debugger to set breakpoints just before the problem area and step through each statement so you can watch state change. Make sure to inspect variable types and function return values, because type errors and unexpected none values are common causes. If logic seems wrong, add temporary prints or small unit tests to verify each function in isolation, and finish by applying a focused fix to the minimal repro, and then run the full script or tests to confirm the error is resolved. Once fixed, add a unit test that captures the previous failure and consider a small refactor if the code created repeated bugs. If the problem persists, isolate even further and search the exact error message. If you still need help, prepare a minimal, complete example and ask others with code and traceback. One tip: rerun in a clean environment to rule out state issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.